moment.
So this is very swampy.
It is a swamp.
Ah. A bedoy.
Oh, that'll do. Um. Okay. You can go back down in the hole and mine some stuff if you want.
Yeah, no worries.
I'll give you the what little torches I have.
Thank you.
I
Thank
only
you.
had 3. I'll go back to the town and make some stuff.
Cool. Sounds good. I'll chuck that road flash there. And I will find that hole. And found it. And I will see what I can do down here.
Alright.
Okay, wow. What have we got? So we've got some coal. Lovely. If I had some sticks. Some copper.
Alright, I'll put all our useless goodies in here.
What's this? What are the green ones?
It's probably emerald. You can't dig that up yet.
Well, I found some emerald.
Cool. Okay. No, I know how to make it. Get out. Thank you. Woohoo! So we got 7 iron ingots. That should supply us with sufficient amount of torches.
That is ridiculous. I can see where you were mining.
Yeah.
All these torches all over the place.
Oh yeah, I suppose I need.
Yoik. Pick up all this coal, because we may need it.
Cool.
Hey,
You can always use coal.
Uh-oh, zombie. Oh, creeper! Bang! Uh-oh, water's flowing everywhere.
Yeah, that happens.
Little spider down here.
Get in there.
Oh, you take this, bitch. Okay, I found sapphire, it looks like. Can't dig that up either.
Nope.
Ah, I was getting excited there for a second. Oh, what the hell? Oh, skeleton. Oh, I'm getting attacked from something from behind. Maybe.
That doesn't sound right.
Just an observation.
Doom, 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 doom.
Skeleton! I think I've gone pretty deep underground now.
Okay, where's that hole? There it is. I can see your name floating around down there.
Oh shit, I'm gonna make my way out.
I'll come help you. It's all good.
Ugh.
Jesus, where are... There you are.
Oh, I'm stuck!
In a hole. Where was all that other stuff you found?
It is all the... Whoops, I threw my pickaxe away. It is all the way down here.
Ah, yep. Ooh.
There's stuff down here too.
Alright.
Do you have any food on you? Oh wait, I've got food.
Yeah, you got food. What are you talking about? Ooh, wow. Big ass cave.
Yeah, it's a big cave. There's water. And my pickaxe is gonna die soon.
And zombles. Oh, that's uranium actually.
Uranium.
Yep.
Cool.
We'll take that uranium.
We got a zombie
Oh
over there.
wow, an underground cave chasm.
That's a huge chasm.
Yep, and there's a creeper. Yeah, so long, sucker! What a loser. Let's go down there.
Okay, how are we going to get down there?
Through this.
Okay, well, I've just fallen a little bit.
We'll go take the water down.
Ah, wish I could do that.
There's a creeper burning in lava over there. Have at ye! Woohoo! Gunpowder. Alright.
This is going to be very hard for me to get down. Oh, shit! I think I made it.
Yeah, you're good. Some silver or tin.
This
Whichever.
water's flowing everywhere.
Yeah, that's okay. Is that an underground?
We're very deep underground.
Ah,
There's lava, water just flowing everywhere. Plunk.
'cause you'll be in my
There we go.
heart.
Just dried that water up. Bloop, bloop,
Nice.
bloop, bloop, bloop.
Now I do believe I'm getting tin ore.
There's more uranium. What's a light blue brick?
That is either diamond or nickelite. Fake diamond.
Okay.
Well, it's not fake diamond, it's just...
Yeah, I'm not going to be
It looks like diamond, but it tricks you.
Oh.
You're like, ooh, I found diamond, but nope, it's just nickelite. No one likes nickelite.
Because it's fake.
Yes, get your hopes up.
Just like a cheap prostitute.
Yes, exactly like that.
I mean, what?
That was one weekend, okay?
You said we'll never talk about that.
You brought it up. Lots of
Okay.
tin
Bloop,
down
bloop,
here,
bloop.
which is good.
What beats what? Lava beats water, or does water beat lava?
It either turns into copper or obsidian. Yeah, that's nickelite. There's some emerald. There's some more
Where did
tin.
you go?
Behind you.
Oh, up there.
Hopefully soon we'll be able to get your computer all working so we can record
Video.
video off yours.
Yes.
And then we'll have
I may need to switch to PC.
dual vision.
I'm up the waterfall.
You may need to borrow my lounge room one,
Yes.
because that would run Minecraft just fine.
Yes, we need to do that.
Oh damn it.
Jeez, we're really deep in this chasm.
Yep. It's okay though.
That's what she said.
Well, technically she should say you are really deep in this chasm.
We're talking about sushi, right?
Yes. Ooh, redstone.
Oh, what's redstone, Ruby?
No, it's like wiring.
Okay, cool.
Use it for electrical circuits.
Bam. 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 Bloop, that lava just extended.
There's some
Ready to
uranium.
explore the water? Rats. Why did it have to be rats?
There were rats, Dad. Rats? Yeah, big
Big
ones. What do the Nazis want with you, Dad?
They wanted my diary.
Yeah?
I knew I had to get that thing as far away as possible as I could.
Yeah. What book?
What book? You has the diary in your pocket.
You don't.
You think my son to be that stupid to bring my diary all the way back here?
You want some torches?
Oh yes, please. Thank you.
Oops. There you go.
Thank you. 2. Ah, 20.
Yeah.
Cool.
Up, dead end.
Ah, I reckon we can fix that. I also need to get a new pickaxe.
We might head back up in a sec once I've dug some
Let's-
more of this iron up.
We'll see what's beyond this wall. There might be something. Maybe nothing.
Most likely nothing. Wait, here we go. Cinematic view.
Delete. Well, nothing there.
Except for some iron.
This chasm's pretty high.
Some tin. Yeah, we need to get out of this now.
Okay.